Tashi Delek, 가지러 또. Also, talaga, chili night is still young for us, so we up with you.
Tashi Delek and namaste to everyone present here.
I'm a bummer on concerns. I do love my fun and friends, not the thing that I do love. Well, holy moly, me oh my, I'm the apple of my eye.
You smiled and you said, with a nervous voice, and gently whispered, "Of course, you sound as joyous as a songbird, listening to
And you can say your name and one color that you're feeling. So I might be feeling color. You don't have to explain anything, you just say the color and your name.
Hi, my name is Ishi and I'm doing right.
Presentation.
Okay, great.
My name is Tenzin Legion and I'm feeling green. My name is Laura.
Hi everyone, my name is Anayat. I'm feeling pink.
Hello, I'm Hitesh and I'm feeling purple.
Hi everyone, I'm Snigdha and I'm feeling yellow. Hi everyone, my name is Ruby and I'm feeling fuchsia pink.
Is there any sensation over there? Breathe in, say hello to your head. Then count to 5 when we breathe out. We will do it 3 times. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we will do our normal breathing. While you are doing your normal breathing, focus on each part of your body starting from your feet. As you breathe in, send that air to your feet. Color, shape.
more positive outcome in our lives, whether it be your career, social well-being, and affects how we think, feel, and act.
Bell Hooks has talked about love a lot. There's an excellent book by Bell Hooks called All About Love. And she says that love has these following components, which is care, commitment, responsibility, respect, trust, and knowledge. And these are all the components that are important for not just when we love another human being, but when we love ourselves. What I want to share with you over here is that there is an intimate relationship between how others treat us and how we treat ourselves. And how we treat ourselves and then how we treat others. So whether we love ourselves, whether we hate ourselves, the source of our love and hate is the communities, the families that we've come from, the schools that we belong to. Right? Even though if you might have had very supportive parents, maybe extreme bullying episodes in schools may make you feel extremely low about yourself. It could be about your body image, it could be about your capabilities, it could be about your intelligence, it could be because of your gender, your sexuality, anything. Right? So when people say that, you need to love yourself, and they speak of it in a very individualistic, isolating sense. It's like you go there, you sit there, and you love yourself and you come back. I don't think human beings can love themselves in isolation. We are part of families, communities, and we need families and communities to be loving for us to enable self-regard and self-worth for our own selves. Have you seen Modern Family? Have you seen the TV show Modern Family? So in Modern Family, there is a boy who is very different from his peers. He's overweight, he talks very differently, he writes poetry, so he doesn't fit into the masculine criteria of a boy. And as you can understand, he is likely to be bullied in school. But the episodes are about how every time he is bullied or every time he feels insecure about himself, his family kind of comes in and protects him, but at the same time also encourages him to challenge himself. So when we're talking about loving and protective families, we're not talking about families that are mollycoddling people. Like, oh, let them not ever get hurt, let them never get. It's important to know that, supportive families means that if and when we get hurt, we have people to go back to feel good with. And so this child's self-esteem by 18 years without any intervention of, supportive caregivers. Many times that supportive caregiver in a family may not be immediate parents, it could be a grandparent, it could be a teacher, it could be a really close friend who acts as a buffer against, very harsh, critical commentaries coming from all around you. So the first point that I want to make is that I don't believe that, we can speak of self-love as a very individualistic concept. We need to nurture communities where now here we come to kindness and compassion is offered freely and received freely.
Sẽ 직당돼도 그것은 기계자 쉐더도 준비가 내 다들 partout 붙이니까 네가 뜻이 으느냐 지겨니 그가 딱발 샘소나 답을 yeah, yeah, nie tyle amala. Control 내기 식당와 지봉 밑에게 뒤가디네 규제 단데게 기생충들 아파주는 건다 말아 근처만
Hi guys, so the event here, I think it was really great. It was very cozy, the setting was nice, everyone pitched in so much and so well, and I can truly feel all the love around here. So I think it really fits with the theme.
Oh, first of all, the whole event is really great. The environment here is wholesome. The people here is really great. I learned a lot of things. All the speakers are really great. And at last, we are speaking about something that we usually don't talk in our society. It's about the self-love, the mental health, and it's really great. I learned a lot of things. And